Again with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Numark Party Mix Pro. Now this is a DJ controller with built-in light show and portable speaker. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $300. Alright, so let's go through the features. Built-in sound reactive light show creates party atmosphere. DJ control system to mix tracks and create effects. Rechargeable battery delivers hours of all-day fun. Pads to loop music and trigger sample playback. Connect computer or iOS devices. Now that requires a USB camera adapter, which is not included, but I'll show you what it looks like. Perform with included virtual DJ LEE software or DJ Player Pro app. Connect music players without software through Bluetooth or auxiliary input. Now you get a headphone output for queuing tracks, a link output for adding additional speakers, and a microphone input for announcements. Now the system requirements are Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, or Windows 10. Now if you're using Macs, that's OS 10.8, 10.9, 10.10, and 10.11. For iOS devices, 9.3 or later. Alright, so all of that for $300. Let's pop this open and see what it looks like. Alright, so let's go through everything that you get in the box. You got your quick start guide, usual books and shit, and your warranty information. Plug them, file them to the side. You got your Numark troll stickers. You get your USB cable. You got your power cable. And we got some non-included accessories. A microphone, you're gonna need that for the parties. And if you wanna use an iPad, you're gonna have to get one of these. Now this is a Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. I'll leave the link for this up in the description. Now for the speaker itself. On the front, you got your party lights. There's more LEDs built into the front of the speaker. Nice metal speaker grill. The weight on this, pretty heavy, but you can easily carry it with two hands. But if you don't want to carry it, on the back, you got a telescoping handle, and on the bottom, you got wheels. So you can drag this around like luggage. Let's see on the side. You got a handle on each side, so you can carry this if you want. Let's go through all the features on this side. You got your aux input, your link input if you want to add another speaker, your headphone input, your mic input, your USB input. There's your power on and off switch, and your plug input. On the other side, you got nothing. Now let's go through the features on the top. All right, this is a full DJ controller. Now you got a little slot right here for your iPad. You got your party lights button, your Bluetooth button. You got a USB charge out. This way you can charge up your phone or your tablet or whatever you got on deck. You got your battery level indicator LEDs. You got two turntables, power LED. Here's your browse knob. All right, so you want to cycle through your songs. You got your mic, master, gain, treble, bass, all your different volume controls, your Q mix controls, your level controls. You got your crossfader for when you want to do your scratching. Give it. You know how to do it. Sync, cue, play, and pause, and your DJ pads. All right, so let me plug this in. We'll set it up, and we'll do a little sound test, and we'll play with some of the features. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so I got this all set up, so now let's test it out. Now, before we get into the DJ software and all of the DJ features, I got this paired up using Bluetooth, so we'll play some music just to see how it sounds. Here we go, max volume.
Yeah, mic check. DJ Floors in the building. Where the ladies at? Let's switch it up.
All right, so now I'm gonna dim the lights. I'll test one more song, and let's see what the LEDs look like. Alright, so here's how the DJ controller software is going to look like on your iPad. You got full controls. And this is what it's going to look like on your laptop. You got even more controls, and everything syncs up with the DJ controller unit. Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. It's a fully functional DJ controller with the built-in party lights. Now, the video wasn't doing it justice, but those 3 lights on the top had the whole room lit up. It definitely looked like a party environment, and you got mad different light patterns to choose from. Now, as far as the sound quality, it's good if you're in the house DJing or you're having a little party, but if you're trying to take it outside and go crazy, you're going to want to add another speaker. Now, it does have the line out option, so what I'm going to do is add them 2 big giant speakers I got in the back and go crazy. Now, one thing I would have liked to have seen was an echo chamber on the mic, but it is what it is. Now, the DJ software is A1. I use Numark all the time. No complaints with that. Now, if you want to see how the DJ controller features work on the top, stay tuned for the video. Shout out to my daughter. One of her favorite songs is Cyndi Lauper, Girls Just Want to Have Fun. So I'm sampling that track and making a little beat for her. So I'll show you how I make my beats. Anyway, this is the Numark Party Mix Pro. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready, no meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossie_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.